How to fix Steam something wrong while you are trying to log in. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Steam something wrong while you are trying to log in or sign in. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your system. So simply for that you'll have to click on this search icon at the task bar. And now from your click on settings. Okay, so after you come on the settings, in this hospital you'll have to type for date and time. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to go the option change date and time. So simply click on it. Alright, so now from this date and time section, you'll have to turn on this options like set time automatically. So from here you'll have to set this feature on. After you done this, you'll have to just open your run command. So for that you'll have to use a shortcut key, or you can also go with the source icon and type here for run. Okay, so simply you have to open it. Alright, so now in the run section you have to type for temp. Okay, so after you type it, you'll have to just hit the enter. Okay, click on continue. Alright, so from here, these are all of the unnecessary files that you have been on your PC or laptop. So from here, you'll have to delete all of these files from here. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll have to again open the settings from your device or PC or laptop. So simply open the settings from here. Okay, search for settings, open it. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option app. So simply click on it. And now from here go the option install app. Alright, so from the app section you'll have to scroll down and find the app Steam. Alright, so after you find the app, you'll have to click on the three dots just at the right hand section of that app. Okay, so from here you'll have to click on this uninstall option, and after you uninstall this Steam, you'll have to install it again. So from there, your problem might be fixed now. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix the problem like Steam something wrong while you are trying to sign in. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.